Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change keyboard language in OnePlus Nord 5. So open settings app, then here you will see the keyboard. It is in English. To change the keyboard language, tap on this settings icon and then click on languages. Now click on add keyboard. Now here you will see lots of languages that you can add to your keyboard. So here is the list of all the languages. You can select your language that you want to change to. For example, I want to change to Hindi, then I will click on Hindi, then click on done. So I have added the Hindi language. Now go back. Now again click on search. Now you can see this global icon is blinking. So tap on it. You can say HTEN. So it is in Hindi. Now if you want to remove the language from your keyboard, then again tap on search, click on this setting icon, tap on languages, then tap on this pencil icon, then select the Hindi language that you want to remove and then click on trash icon. So this will remove the languages from your keyboard. So by this way you can change the keyboard language on OnePlus Nord 5 phone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.